In this video, you will learn how to create an Amazon Flex account in Canada. First, download the Amazon Flex app. Install the Amazon Flex app in Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Sign in. Sign up or enter your details. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one by providing your personal details. Verify your identity. Ensure you meet the requirements. Have at least 19 years old. Have a valid Canadian driver's license. A four-door vehicle, a valid insurance and a compatible smartphone. Submit documents. Upload documents like your driver's license, proof of insurance, and a selfie for verification. Background check. Amazon will conduct a background check, which can take up to a few days. Complete onboarding. Once approved, you'll go through the onboarding process. In the app, to get familiar with the delivery system, Start accepting delivery blocks. After onboarding, you can begin accepting delivery blocks based on your schedule. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.